Hi kids, Digital Dad here. I am going to tell you how to juggle. 1. Stand facing a wall when you practice. Otherwise you will have to cross the room to collect the balls every time you drop them. When you have a wall there, they just bounce back at you. 2. Start juggling with one hand and 2 balls. From there it is easy to move to 2 hands and 3 balls. 3. Find some other activity you can do at the same time, like TV, podcast, phone support. Because you have to put in the time. 4. Find yourself a set of 3 near identical spherical objects, or 3 extremely light bandanas, handkerchiefs, etc. You will want 2 of them to fit nicely in one hand. 5. Start with just 1 ball, in your dominant hand. Toss that ball to the other hand, having it peak in its arch at about eye level. Say, 1, while you do this. Reset by moving the ball back into your dominant hand. 6. When you have that down, have 1 ball in each hand. Throw the ball in your dominant hand to the other just as before, saying, 1. As the first ball is falling towards your non-dominant hand, throw the ball in that hand in the air, arching it around eye level just as you had before. Say, 2, as you throw that 1. Catch the ball that was thrown first, with your non-dominant hand. Now catch the second ball, with your dominant hand. Sometimes it helps to say, 1, and 2, as you catch them as well, only once you have successfully juggled 2 balls. Both balls are arching around eye level and are not flying across the room, move on to 3 balls. 7. Start with 2 balls in your dominant hand, 1 in your non-dominant hand. Toss 1 ball in your dominant hand as in step 1. Perform step 2. Perform step 2 again, this time saying, 3, as you toss the second ball from your dominant hand over to your non-dominant hand. Catch the final ball, ending with 2 balls in your non-dominant hand, and 1 in your dominant hand. Reset and repeat. It takes a bit of practice, and you will have to pick up a lot of dropped balls. Some tips to keep in mind are to try your best to toss them around eye level, wait for the ball to fall into your hand and not to raise your hand to grab the ball, and to say, 1, 2, 3, as you throw them. It really helps. Want more Digital Dad? Subscribe and let's get started. See you soon and thanks for watching.